Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to do my favorites. Siguro, as for the year na rin, and yung mga ride or die products ko. So if you guys wanna know kung ano yung mga favorites ko, please keep on watching. So ayun, mag-start ako. Pero before I start, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And tapusin nyo kasi magkakaroon tayo ng giveaway at the end of the video. For my favorites, these are the things that work for me. I'm not sure kung mag-work sa inyo, pero for me, very good ang naging effect niya. So for my first product, ito yung parang supplement na iniinom ko recently. This is Relumin's Advanced White Glutathione. Nagtitake ako ng glutathione kasi parang it's helping me to look more parang blooming, and also parang feeling ko parang nag-gluta ako, mas hindi ako nagkakasakit.
Sorry, coffee.
And then ang kino-combine ko is this Relumin's Advanced White 1650 mg and
Coffee.
And yung Theo Glow. I think this one is around 2,500 tapos 2,500 din ata to. This one has 180 chewable tablets, and then this one naman is 90. Ang ginagawa ko is twice a day ko sila tinitake. Okay, so for the next one, skincare naman siya, which I mentioned sa previous video ko, is yung sunblock na nabili ko sa Belo. This sunblock is called Frezy Derm. This is what it looks like. Di ko alam. Ano ba to? Basta, ayaw niya mag-focus. This is what it's called. And then, yung color niya, I believe meron kasing transparent or hindi kita, walang color. And then, yung second skin. I really like this kasi, ayun nga, tinted na siya at the same time, primer pa siya. I mean, if you need more coverage, you can use this. And also, I believe this one is for those people who have sensitive skin and parang hindi niya makakongest yung pores nyo. So, I think, for me, this one really worked. And it's matte pag nilagay nyo siya sa face nyo. It's kind of similar to professional ng primer na benefit. Ganun yung feel niya. And, ayun, a little bit goes a long way. So, this one retails for around 2,700. This can be bought sa mga Belo Medical Group branches. I bought mine sa Green Hills. And then, the next skincare would be this Snail White Icy Mask. You can buy this sa SM Department Store. I bought mine. Bumili ako isang box. Sobrang ganda nito kasi parang overnight mask kasi siya, basically. And then, the next morning mo na lang siya hugasan. And instantly, makikita mo agad yung effect na magpa-brighten yung skin mo. And a little bit goes a long way din. So, tipid. Siguro ang tagal, hindi ko kasi siya ginagawa everyday. So, etong isang sachet na to, maglalast for a week or more. Siguro, kung every other day kayo, mga 2 weeks. Basta wag lang sobrang dami. So, for the next skincare, you know how much I love Snail White. If you've seen my Bangkok vlog, I bought so much. So, this one, they have different varieties. Hindi ko alam yung iba. I only have the concentrate facial cream. I also have the royal jelly. I believe same lang yung laman niya. But the difference is the royal jelly one is for the oily skin. This one, yung concentrate facial cream, would be for dry skin to. Just to make sure yung mga details, siguro may website sila. I'm not really sure. Pero parang yun yung tatandaan ko nung time na pupunta ako sa Bangkok. The next one would be, this is not a makeup item. This isn't also a skincare. But, ano siya, more on sa hygiene. If you guys use dry shampoo, kasi sasabi nila, it's not really healthy to wash your hair every day. Kasi masiscrape off yung natural oils ng hair. So, sometimes, I use this dry shampoo. I bought this ata sa Sephora sa States. I'm not sure kung meron dito. Parang feeling ko wala. This has been the best smelling dry shampoo ever. Ito kasi yung Elizabeth & James Nirvana. If you all know, if you're familiar with Elizabeth & James, Meron din silang perfume talaga na to. Tinurn nila into a dry shampoo. So, for makeup, here are the items na gustong-gusto ko. First one would be itong Huda Beauty. I've already mentioned this one ulit sa school makeup routine ko. I really like this. I think this is the best loose powder ever. I've tried yung Laura Mercier, Coty Airspun, yung Marc Jacobs coconut powder. But I think this one is the best because it provides coverage at the same time. Magiging airbrush ano yung under eyes nyo. This is what I'm using right now. So, this shade is Banana Bread. I bought this one at Sephora Philippines, yung online. And then the next one would be, I don't know, parang I thought before this was only a trend. Pero, sobrang dami ko nang tinry na concealers. Pero dito pa rin ako bumabalik. Itong NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. I usually mix the caramel one kasi feeling ko, pag darker yung shade, mas natatakpan yung under eye circles mo. And then the last makeup item would be this Hoola Benefit Bronzer. I thought then it was just, alam mo yan, parang YouTube made me buy it. Kasi sikat siya sa YouTube, kaya yung taong bibili nito. Pero this one is really effective. Ito yung ginamit ko pang contour ngayon. This one can act as a contour and a bronzer. So, sabi ko, ang ganda niya. And ang maganda sa kanya is very subtle lang yung effect niya. Hindi siya yung parang pak, mukha ka ng umpa-lumpa. So, yeah. The last favorite item that I have for this year or for this month or in general would be Glamcor Skinny Mirror. I'll show you in a bit. I bought this one. I forgot. Online ko lang din siya binili. This one, I use dito sa kwarto kapag nagme-makeup ako. Kasi yung table ko, hindi siya nakatapat dito sa may natural light. That's why I needed something na makaka-produce ng magandang light without me using a ring light. Kasi medyo bulky. This one, you can use it to travel, for traveling. Also, what's good about this is that it's rechargeable. It's very lightweight. And it has different, attachments. If you've seen my previous video, ito yung ginamit ko na light. I was using my phone to film that. Tapos, ito yung ginamit kong light. So, itong mirror na to, it has yung Bluetooth function. I don't know if you can see. Ay, mag-focus. This one, Bluetooth function. Kukonect mo siya sa phone mo. This one to take a picture. And then this one for the light. Ito turn on ko lang for you to see. So this is what it looks like. It's like a very portable vanity mirror. Pero, yun nga, less bulky and you don't need any bulbs. And then, aside from that, feeling ko kasi hindi, every time na tumatravel ako ng Manila, hindi ko siya madadala parate. Kasi sometimes I just bring yung luggage ko na parang duffel bag. And so, ang hili kong gift kay Waki is a smaller version of that. So, this one is also, same, lang siya brand. I forgot ko ano yung name, pero this one has parang storage ng mga makeup. Ganito yung sa kanya, na ano. Tapos, they have different magnets for you to be able to store your makeup. Parang i-depot mo siya, and then, ready na to travel. The only problem with this is medyo loose siya. Like, nag-move siya. Ganyan. Pero same din yung feature niya is umiilaw din siya. So, parang ding may maliit na vanity mirror. Basta may pipindutin ka dito sa taas and then iilaw din siya. Like that. 3 settings lang siya, I believe. Yeah. And then magko-close na siya. So, 1, 2, 3. So, the big one, meron ata na ito sa Makeup Pro, which costs 12,000. And then, this one is around 5,200. So, since I've already shared my favorites, syempre gusto ko din matry nyo for you to see if mag-workout. Hindi ibig sabihin na nag-work sa akin, mag-work din sa inyo. Pero, of course, I would like you to try kasi malay mo, ito yung maging gateway to your blooming and beautiful skin. So, for today's video, I will do a giveaway of this Snail White. This one I bought from Bangkok. Snail White Royal Jelly Facial Cream. So, initially, ito yung pinakaunang nagustuhan kong variety ng Snail White. And so, ito yung ipapamigay ko. I kept a lot din kasi and yun nga, I really want you guys to try this one. Pero, yun, ingat lang din kasi kung sensitive ang face nyo, I don't know if mag-work to or hindi. Pero so far, nag-work naman siya sa akin. And all you have to do, siguro yung mechanics, I'll just put it down below. And then, i-announce ko din when ako mag-raffle. So, this raffle or giveaway would only be for, those who are staying here in the Philippines. Kasi ang mahal ng shipping. So, yeah. That's it for my favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you next time. Bye!